Good morning, everyone. Last class we are discuss about physical and chemical properties of hydrogen halides, like preparation. The next one, displacement reaction, hydrolysis of phosphorus trihalides, acidic strength. Today we are going to oxidation. Oxidation. Hydrogen iodide oxidized iodine plus 2 electron plus 2 H plus. Hydrogen iodide oxidized to produce iodine. To calculate the oxidation state, minus 1 to 0. So minus 1 to 0, it oxidized. So Hi become act as a powerful storm reducing agent. Powerful storm reducing agent. Next one. Hydrogen bromide. React with concentrated sulfuric acid to gives bromine plus water plus SO2, sulfur dioxide. Here HBr become reduced. H2SO4, sulfuric acid to SO2, sulfur dioxide. In these types of reaction, it's a slow process. The types of reactions become a slow process. The next one, Hi. Let us consider balanced reaction. 2 hydrogen plus 2, totally 4 hydrogen, only 2 hydrogen, so 2 times. 2 plus 2, totally 4, balanced. Next, Hi, followed by concentrated sulfuric acid. Hi followed by sulfuric acid to gives hydrogen sulfide plus I2 plus H2O, water. In these types of reaction, it's a rapidly fast reaction. In these types of reaction, it's a fast reaction. 8 iodine, only 2. 4 2s are 8. 8 hydrogens kuda, that is 4. So in these types of reaction, it's a slow reaction. HBr. But Hi is a react with the concentrated sulfuric acid to produce H2S, not SO2. One more. Not SO2. One more. The next one, alcohol. Alcohol is converted to ethane. Alcohol is reduced to ethane in the presence of Hi. Second one, nitric acid. Nitric acid to nitrous acid. That is HNO3 to HNO2. Nitric acid to nitrous acid 2. The next HCl. HCl unaffected in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, like oxidized in the presence of MnO2, K2, Cr2, O7 and KMNO4. Okay, The next go to summary. Summary, first trend. First trend. First number one, acidic character. Acidic character. Acidic character. Acidic character down the group. Strength become increases. HF, HCl, HBr and HA. HF, HCl, HBr and HA. Here HF, weak acid. Weak acid. Here HF, weak acid. HI, strong acid. Strong acid. HF, weak acid and HI, strong acid. Second one, reactivity of hydrogen. Reactivity of hydrogen. So reactivity of hydrogen decreases down the group. Decreases down the group. Third one, stability. Stability. Stability down the group become decreases. Down the group become decreases. Next, volatiles of hydrides. HF less than 2, HI less than 2, HBr less than 2, HCl. Volatiles of hydride. Fifth one, thermal stability. Thermal stability. HF is greater than 2, HI greater than 2, HBr greater than 2, HCl. Overall summarized thermal stability. Okay. Next go to interhalogen compound. Interhalogen compound. Interhalogen compounds. Interhalogen compound. First introduction. First introduction. Halogen, it can be represented X. X may be fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. X may be represented fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. Interhalogen compound, in between two halogens, each halogen combined with the other halogen is known as interhalogen compound. Next, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. According to Trent, down the group, electronegativity decreases. Electronegativity decreases. So highest electronegativity fluorine. Fluorine. Least one iodine. Okay. Example. Let us consider fluorine and chlorine. Fluorine and chlorine. Less electronegativity should be written as a first one. The next second. Example, ClF. Chlorine, fluorine. To compare to two, fluorine and chlorine, Chlorine is a less electronegativity. The next fluorine, bromine and chlorine. Br. The next ClF3, IF5, IF7, etc. First, less electronegativity should be written as a less electronegativity. The next one, the second one. They are divided into 4 types. First, AB. Second, AB3. Third, AB5. Fourth, AB7. AB3, AB5 and AB7. Example, AB, ClF, BrF, IF, AB type, AB3 type, ClF3, next BrF3, etc. AB5 type, AB5, IF5. The next one, AB7, IF7. So, interhalogen compound divided to 4 types: AB, AB3, AB5 and AB7 or AX type, AX3 type, AX5 type, AX7 type. Okay. The next, go to properties of interhalogen compound. Next, go to properties of interhalogen compound. First, point number 1. Central atom. Center atom become larger size. Central atom become larger size. First, point number 1. Second, point number 2. Only 2 halogen. Only 2 halogen are participate. Not a more than 2. Not a more than 2. Only 2 halogen. Example, ClF, IF7. Only 2 halogen. IFCl, Ra. So, interhalogen compound, only 2 halogen combined. Not a more than 2. ICl, the next one, F is not Ra. Third one, fluorine. Fluorine cannot act as a central metal atom. Fluorine cannot act as a central metal atom. Center atom. Fluorine cannot act as a center atom because of fluorine smaller size. Small size. According to Trent, fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. From down the group size become increases. So fluorine size is very small, smaller size. So fluorine cannot act as a center atom. Okay. Fourth point. Fluorine high electronegativity. fluorine high electronegativity to produce a high coordination number. High coordination number. Okay. Next one, autoionization. Autoionization. So autoionization 2ICl gives reverse I plus ICl2 minus. Autoionization. The next one, use ICl2 plus ICl4 minus. Fifth one. Sixth one, strong oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent. There are 6 properties. First, number 1, central atom become larger. Second, number 2, only 2 halogens are participate, not here more than 2. Third one, fluorine cannot act as a central atom. Fluorine because of smaller size. Fourth one, fluorine is a high electronegativity to produce a high coordination number. Fifth one, autoionization. Sixth one, strong oxidizing agent. Next, go to chemical properties, reaction with the base. Next, go to reaction with the base. Reaction with the base. BF5 in the presence of OH minus. To compare bromine and fluorine, according to Trent, down the group, fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. Down the group, size become increases. So larger size halogen becomes act as a oxy halogen. Smaller size fluorine, smaller size halide F minus. But one more question. BrF5, larger size halogen become act as a oxy halogen. First, number 1. Iodine, chlorine. Chlorine is a smaller size. Iodine is a larger size. So chlorine Cl minus plus O and minus. This is a oxy halogen. So reaction with the base, interhalogen compound react with the base. Larger size of halogen, oxy halogen. Smaller size of halogen, halide. One more. Okay. The next, go to structures. Structure of interhalogen compound. Structure of interhalogen compound. First, AX type. Example, ClF. So, in general electronic configuration for halogen family, NS2 NP5. NS2 NP5. General electronic configuration. Chlorine 3s, 3p and 3d. 3s, 3p and 3d. 3s, 3p, 3d. Chlorine, outermost electron, 3s2, 3p5. Ground state, excited state, the same one. Same. Is no. So, 1 s orbital, 3 p orbital. 1 s orbital, 3 p orbital. So this is sp3 hybridization. This is sp3 hybridization. The next, the structure become chlorine, fluorine, only one bond pair, one bond pair, 1, 2, 3, 3 lone pair. One, two, three. So 1, 2, 3. Lone pair of electron 3. Bond pair 1. One bond pair. This is lone pair. Lone pair of electron. This is bond pair. So AX type hybridization, sp3 hybridization. How many bond pair? 1 bond pair, only 1 bond pair. 1, 2, 3. 3 lone pair. The structure become linear. Structure become linear.